In the quiet moments, when the sun is warm and the path is clear, kindness feels effortless. It flows from a place of comfort and ease. But the true measure of our heart isn't found in the calm, but in the storm. It's easy to be kind when life is good, but true kindness reveals its strength when life is hard. In those moments of friction, when frustration bubbles to the surface, you are met with a choice. When you choose kindness over anger, you are not surrendering, you are choosing peace. When you are hurt and the instinct is to strike back, you can instead choose compassion over revenge. This is the quiet power that breaks cycles of pain. And when your ego demands to be right, to be first, to be seen, you can choose patience over pride. In doing so, you rise above the noise and connect with something deeper, something more real. Never mistake gentleness for fragility. Kindness doesn't make you weak. It is a profound strength, a resilience that bends without breaking. It's the courage to be soft in a world that can be relentlessly hard. This strength must also be turned inward. Be kind to yourself. Forgive your own stumbles. It makes you powerful in a world that often forgets how to care. It's the power to mend, to build bridges, to see the humanity in a stranger's eyes. It's holding a door, sharing a smile, listening without judgment. These small acts ripple outward, creating waves of change you may never see. So, in the rush of the everyday, remember your power. Stay kind. It is a language everyone understands. It costs nothing, but it changes everything.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.